Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel where we level up in calisthenics. And today, as you can tell by the topic, we're talking about how we can achieve the handstand faster. So the handstand is made up of control, your ability to control your body weight, awareness of your body in the space because you're upside down and your body is not used to being upside down, and the balance aspect of it, how you can balance your body weight on your hands. A lot of people struggle because they haven't built enough awareness of being upside down in that position. And also, most of people who start out learning the handstands, they don't really have a sense of control over their body weight on their hands specifically. Even the balance aspect, where I'm gonna get into it in the best progressions for the handstand. The frog stand is a great skill because it's easy to do, anyone can do it. That's the best way to start learning how to balance on your hand and learn to control your body weight. The pike hold is great because it technically imitates the same move as the handstand, where you're having your arms locked out straight and you're in a vertical position. You can learn to build some endurance in your shoulders to hold your body weight up. You can do the elevated pike hold where you put your feet on an elevated surface, but it's a great progression as well because it puts you more in a vertical position to imitate the handstand even better. Now, once you've built a solid base with these two exercises I just mentioned, it's time to move on to doing the actual handstand, and the best way to start with that is on the wall. So you want to start going on the wall and practicing your kick-ups. So you want to build some good strength and explosiveness in your legs to kick yourself up to the wall and balance in that position. And the goal is to gradually move away from the wall, where you have just one leg touching the wall and the other leg is free up balancing. And the goal from there is to basically try to move that leg on the wall up into a straight position until you kind of achieve that handstand position and you learn how to hold it there for a couple of seconds. Another great progression, once you feel like you've built strength, of course, and stability in your shoulders to hold your body weight up, you can do in open spaces. Of course, you can do it on a soft ground like the grass, or you can use a mat if you're scared of falling and purposely fall. Like, there's an exercise called the bailout. I call it bailouts because basically you kick up to a handstand and intentionally fall out, so you can basically get over the fear of falling off a handstand. And from there, it's just a matter of repetition and more volume until you build that strong awareness, control, and balance. These are the best progressions. But now let's actually move to the most important part and how to speed up our progress much faster. So there's three main points. The first one is sleep and nutrition. Yes, you're gonna have to put on the work and train as often as you can, but without recovery and enough sleep and good nutrition, you're not giving your body the right enough fuel to keep you going and learn the skill faster. The second way to speed up the progress is by regular or almost daily training. Because I want to tell you one thing, handstands, unlike let's say the planche, it's more of a balance skill than a strength skill. But since it's a balance and more of a stability work, your body would recover quite fast. So you have to train it almost every single day to build the awareness and body control as soon as you can. The more you practice it, the faster your body will build that awareness being upside down and the ability to control your body weight on your hands. So if you can train it almost every single day, then I promise you, you will get it within 2 to 3 weeks. But the problem you might guys be questioning is, what if I train every single day but I feel the pain in my wrists and shoulders because I'm always putting weight on my hands and I'm new to this? And that brings me to my final tip to achieve the handstand faster, and that is having a good wrist and shoulder mobility and flexibility as well. Or if you build up your mobility and your shoulders and wrists, you will be able to train your handstands almost every single day, getting the volume required to achieve the handstand. It's quite simple, guys. For the wrist and shoulders, we can start with dynamics, just rotating your wrists, your shoulders, rotations. On the ground, you can like put your hand flat on the ground and just rock back and forth. With the shoulder, if you want to improve your range of motion or flexibility, you can put your back on the wall straight and try to raise your arm as high as you can with the goal of touching your hands against the wall, having your arms straight, of course. I can also make a video for that if you guys need it. That being said, if you guys enjoyed and found it valuable, make sure you subscribe for more of these videos, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Peace.